What can you tell these other group of people ambao wako town, walikataa kukaa kule home, na kuna mashamba kule nyumbani, and while in town they are complaining every day, kusema kwamba tunatafuta kazi hatupati nini. Is it advisable for those people to start thinking on what they can do to utilize hayo mashamba ambao waliacha kule mashinani?
And I want to say on a very sincere note, I'll combine the two. First of all, land in urban areas and close to urban areas is 500 times better utilized when it is put in intensive agricultural production than when it is put in real estate.
Wow.
Yes. 1,000,000 times. If you have a plot of 50 by 100, you can create more wealth on that plot of 50 by 100 when you do agribusiness than when you put there rentals that will give you 30,000 shillings per month.
Wow.
1,000,000 times. Because in a plot of 50 by 100, how many cuckoos can you put there and you harvest, say, you can get like 2,000 eggs per day, for example.
It is practical.
It's practical.
It is possible.
And you can even get 5,000 eggs per day because you can even do a story. Isn't it? If you are getting 5,000 times 10 is how much per day?
Hey, 50.
50,000 times 365 days.
Hey.
This madness of, I have some plots. It is
to rental.
Honestly, my mind can only have one word for it: stupidity. I'm sorry about that. Yes. Because, my brother, look at it this way. We go very wrong.
Because some of easy rentals are limited. They can only give you 10K per month.
Yes. But your innovative utilization of available resources can transform you in a super manner. You don't even need to go and buy another plot.
No.
You will start getting distorted. You get it?
Yeah.
You can grow your resources there. Grow them there and stick in. You drive your Prado out of your plot, you come back.
Wow.
Stick in there long enough.
Hata umefanya nimefunguka macho nimeona kaploti fulani mahali. Kamekaa tu.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes. If you stick in there long enough and employ that resource to deliver for you, you will go places. Now, for those people who have left farms at home, look at it this way. If you are 50 by 100 in Nairobi, or you're 50 by 100 in Kiamunyi, or you're 50 by 100 in Ronda, can make you so much wealth.
Yeah.
How much wealth can you make in your village?
In Kurisoi.
Yes, next to a free-running river.
Wow.
You get it?
Yeah.
And you do this. Choose what you want to impact the lives of people with. And do it there and deliver it where they are needed. And avoid unnecessary middlemanship.
Na usiende na wave ati kwa sababu kila mtu anafanya hivi.
Yes.
To swim sisi wote.
Yes. When your capacity is to handle 10, hook in 10. When your capacity is to handle 15, hook in 15. When your capacity is to handle 30, hook in 30. When your capacity is to handle 100, hook in 100.
Okay.
And keep on growing your capacity